This question is based upon simple geometry. We have been given a graph in which there are two intersecting lines. Let us call them L1 and L2, intersecting at point 1, 2 and passing through 3, 0, minus 3, minus 2. We need to determine the equation corresponding to this graph. So first of all, for line L1, let us say its slope will be 2 minus of minus 2 upon 1 minus of minus 3. So it is 1 and it passes through the point 1, 2. So using slope point form, we'll find its equation to be, it satisfies this particular point. So we'll have 2 equal to x plus c. In place of x, we'll write 1. So we get the value of c as 1. M is also 1. So equation is y equal to x plus 1. Now for this line L2, we have the slope as 2 minus 0, 1 minus 3, that is minus 1. And it satisfies the point 1, 2 as well. So we'll put 2 equal to m minus 1 plus c. So here the value of c is 3 and the equation we get is y equal to mx plus c. So minus x plus 3. So we get the two expressions as y equal to 3 minus x and y equal to 1 plus x. Now we need to convert these both into one common form using a modulo so that the given option will satisfy both these lines together. So 3 minus x and 1 plus x, we can break this as something like as given in let us say we break this with 2 and keep the things separate. Let us write this 3 as 2 plus 1 and then minus x, and this equation as 2 minus 1 plus x. Now let us try to encapsulate this 1 and x into a modulo. So this will give us 2 plus 1 minus x, and this is giving us 2 minus of, if we take that minus out, then we shall get again this particular thing as 1 minus x. When we open this, it will become 2 minus 1 plus x, so corresponding to this equation of line 2. So we can see that in the option C, 2 minus of modulo x minus 1. Once if we open this with positive sign, then we shall get 2 minus x plus 1, which will be 3 minus x, corresponding to the line L2 which we got over here. And when we open it with a negative sign, we will get 2 minus of, which will convert into plus x minus 1. So that will become 1 plus x. So corresponding to this line L1. Hence this particular equation represents both these lines. When we open this with positive and negative sign, that's where they have put a modulo over there, and hence this is the equation which represents the given graph. So the correct option is C.